If you're looking to buy a premium machine, but without the price point, then this could be an option for you.
At Sodi-Tech, we're able to offer refurbished machines. Because the Sodick product is so good, we can support that machine for 25 plus years. A lot of people can't afford the new technology, but they still want the quality of the Sodick brand. We'll refurbish those machines to a factory standard, and we'll test them, and it allows us to enter a point in the market where someone may be just entering that EDM market, so they don't want to spend that huge amount of investment to begin with, but they want to learn about that, the EDM sector. And because the Sodick brand is with such high quality, it allows a customer to own a Sodick quality machine at a lower price point and also get the backup and support from Sodi-Tech, which is fantastic.